November the 30th, 2022 marks 20 years since the foundation of the Ogden Centre for Fundamental Physics. We plan to celebrate this important anniversary with a series of events involving physicists at the centre, guests and school children who will visit our two wonderful buildings. The centerpiece of the celebration will be a keynote lecture by the 2019 Physics Nobel Prize winner, Professor Jim Peebles, followed by a symposium where we will address 5 questions that Sir Peter posed to us when the centre was founded. I have to admit that in 20 years we haven't answered any of those. They're really, really hard. But we have made very significant progress in tackling aspects of these questions. But the key thing today is that the Ogden Centre provides a platform for future generations of physicists to continue this quest to understand the fundamental nature of our world.